Hey friends, it's Brenda here to show you how to face paint this cute unicorn. If you want to see the fast forward version, just skip to minute number 4. For this one, you're going to need some pink and purple, white, black, a number 12 filbert brush, a 3/4 inch flat brush, and a number 1 round brush. Load up your filbert brush in the white. And we're going to go across right below the cheekbone. We're going to go on a slight diagonal. Then bring it down and then flat across the cheek. Then the back, you're going to take it on a curve. And this is exactly the same as the dragon. So if you haven't watched the dragon video, it's exactly the same. And for the ear, it's just a little triangle right in the back here. And then a tiny triangle for the back ear. And another triangle for the horn. Next, take your 3/4 inch flat brush, and I'm using my purple and pink side by side. I'm using more pink than purple. And then with my dark color on the outside, I'm pushing it down into a triangular shape. And again, here I'm leading with my dark on the outside. Then I'm using the edge of my brush to fill in a little tiny bit of pink for the inside of the ear and some rosy cheeks. And this is optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Next, I am loading my number 1 round brush into some black, and I'm mixing it with my purple. My purple's not dark enough, and I didn't want to outline it in black. You can outline it in black if you want to. And then just outline your critter here. And for the horn, I'm making S curves. So I'm pulling it down and then across in a S shape. So down, across, and down again. And then a little tip, and then I'm just going pretty much straight down. And for the face, it's a slight curve around for the muzzle. A little wiggly here and a round for the jaw. And the hair, I'm doing little S's and C curves. So it's an S curve and a C curve and another C curve and then a kind of an S curve. And then I'm going to connect those two together. And here, this is pretty much in the middle of the face here. Not too low, not too high, pretty much in the middle. And outlining the mane, it's also S's and C curves. It's either a slight C curve or a slight S curve. And you're going to kick it out, back in. Here I'm doing an S curve, and I'm following that with another slight S. Load up your number 1 round brush into your white. And I usually make stars. In fact, I pretty much always do. So you can give it a little dot in the center and then flick it out to make your little star. Some dots. And this is pretty much complete. You can optionally outline the whole thing with white. I paint this very unicorn every weekend. I've painted hundreds, if not thousands of these, and I love this one. So here is the fast version for anyone who just wants to see the process. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other people. Post it on social media, do whatever you gotta do. And follow me on Instagram. It is at FacePaintFriends, and I would love to see your version of this unicorn. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.